This tutorial will explain how you can beat Omega without using the Romeo's Ballad ability. When it comes to abilities, I recommend that you use a combination of Spellblade and Rapid Fire for one character that will be your main attacker. The other 3 party members should focus on healing with White Magic and Dual Cast. In terms of equipment, give your most powerful weapons to your main attacker. You should also equip flame rings and ribbons for all your party members if you have any. Flame rings will absorb the atomic ray and flamethrower. Ribbons should block the rainbow wind, blaster, and delta attack. The flame ring can be bought from the hidden armor store from the Phantom Village location. When it comes to the fight, you should have your main attacker use Spellblade and then select Thundaga on their first turn. The rest of the party members should focus on healing, or be on standby. On the second turn, the main attacker should use Rapid Fire. Afterwards, you need to get a bit lucky in that Omega won't use his Encircle ability on the main attacker. Hopefully, he won't confuse your entire party with Rocket Punch as well. If he does, then you should probably restart the fight. Otherwise, focus on healing until your main attacker gets a turn again. You should then have the attacker use Rapid Fire. Repeat this process until he goes down. If this video helped you out, then you can support this channel by clicking on the like button.